Hello and welcome back. We have a Galaxy DX-959 for Mario in Texas. Up here, Mario, I've got 10 watch car stop scale. Got it all the way down there. All the way down is 1 watt. All the way up is 5 watts. And you told me what you were using, and I don't know how many watts that is, but I'm guessing right here at 9 o'clock on your watt control is going to be perfect for that little unit. I'm going to turn the power back up now to 5. We'll take a look at the peak power of this radio in the middle of 20, 30, 40, 50.
It's just be right there at the 30 mark. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And you see it's working well on the air. Picking up plenty of stations. I'll breaker 19 for a radio check. Thank you, driver. Appreciate it.